Hello, my name is Namasakan Keawlek M.4/4 number 14. Today I will write a program about this output. And I will using online GDB in C language, and I will show you how to make it. In the first line, I will include stdio.h and line number 2 main to the start of the program. And line number 4 int, I will use int I, j and n because I, j and n it is a whole number, so I will use int data type. In line number 5 to line number 6, you will input the level of the patterns that in the variable of n. And line number 7, for that for I equal n, so if I give n is equal 4, so I equal 4 and n equal 4, and I is greater than or equal to 0, that is a condition. So 4 equals to 0 is true. We go to next for, or the second for in line number 9. Let j equal n, let j is equal 4 and n is equal to 4. J is greater than or equal to 1. It is a condition that it means 4 equal to 4 or greater than. That it is true. So they will print 4. And we go to update in j minus minus or decrement the j by 1. So the new number of j is 3, that comes from j equal 4 minus 1 that equal 3. And 3 greater than or equal to 4 is false. It will go to display \n. And next it will go to the first for that I will decrease by 1. So I equal 4 minus 1 is 3. And 3 is greater than to 0. So it will go to 4 in line number 9 or second for. That is j is 4 that greater than or equal to 3. That is a new I. That it is true. So it will bring 4. And j will decrease by 1. So j equal 4 minus 1 is 3. And j greater than or equal to 3 is true. So will print 3. And will decrease by 1 in a j. So j is equal to 3 minus 1 is 2. And 2 are greater than or equal to 3. That it is false, so it will go to display a \n. Next, go to the first loop again. That will update the I. I will decrease by 1. So the new number of I is 3 minus 1 is 2. So the new number of I is 2. And 2 that greater than to 0, that is true. So it will go to the second for. That j is equal 4 again. And 4 are greater than or equal to 2. That means j equal to or greater than n. That is a new number of I. That it is true. It will print 4 and will update j. J will decrease by 1. So j equal 4 minus 1. That is equal to 3. And 3 greater than equal to 2 is true. So it will print 3. And we update j again. That j will decrease by 1. So j equal 3 minus 1 is 2. And 2 greater than or equal to 2 is 2 again. So it will print 2. And next it will update the j. The j will decrease by 1. So j is equal to 2 minus 1. And 1 greater than or equal to 2, that it is false. So it will go to display \n. Lastly, if we go to the first for again, that will update the I, that I will decrease by 1, that the last number of I is 2. So the new number is 2 minus 1 is I. So the new number of I is 1 and I is greater than 0, that it is true. So if we go to second for that j is equal to 4 and 4 greater than or equal to 1, that is a new number of I, that it is true. It will print 4 and will update j, that j it will be decreased by 1, so j equal 4 minus 1 is 3 and 3 greater than or equal to 1 is true, so it will print 3 and will update j again, that j will decrease by 1, so j is equal 3 by 1, that is true, that 2 greater than or equal to 1, that the condition is true, so it will print 2. And next we will update the j will decrease by 1, so j is equal to minus 1, that 1 is greater than or equal to 1, that it is true again, so it will print 1. And we update the j, that the j will decrease by 1, so j equal 1 minus 1, that it is equal to 0, that 0 greater than or equal by 1, but it is false. Next, it will go to the first for loop, that will update the I will decrease by 1, so I equal 1 minus 1 is 0, so the new number of I is 0, and 0 are greater than or 0 is false, so the program will stop. Okay, I will show you a program, and I will click run. The program will ask please enter the level of the pattern, so I will click is 4, that is output, and if I press 5, the output is like this. Thank you for watching.